31 Days, 31 Social Media Tips to Strategize Your Marketing Efforts, featuring the co-branded marketing material available to you at Miami Realtors. Visit the co-branded page by simply going to miamirealtors.com/co-brand. Find the item that you would like to use. Come to Miami top ranking city and select, this is just as an example, I'll select Miami. Come over and select. If you have a Windows, you can use your snip tool to snip, or for a Mac, you can go ahead and select Shift Command 4 and cut out the page. This allows you to take a snapshot that you can use. Then visit your social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Log in, create a post, search for your image on your computer, select it, write in your message and share. Using the co-branded material, you can also follow the instructions on the co-brand page on how to transform the PDF, personalize it and brand it to you, and then create it from PowerPoint into an image to use. These tips and many more on the 31 Days of Social Media Tips. Thank you for being a Miami member.